Many people believe that hard work and steady earnings will naturally lead to a better financial future. For generations, this has been the foundation of the middle-class dream. On the surface, life appears stable, paychecks arrive, bills are paid, and routines continue. Yet beneath this calm exterior, something subtle is happening. Financial security, once a given for the middle class, now feels more distant. This video explores how wealth is quietly slipping away from many families, even as they do everything right. Each month, income still arrives as expected. For most middle-class families, there's no sudden loss of a job or dramatic financial event. Life continues with a sense of normalcy. However, the feeling of security is slowly eroding. Despite steady paychecks, it seems harder to get ahead. The gap between what families earn and what they need to spend is quietly growing, making it more difficult to save or plan for the future. Costs such as rent, healthcare, education, and insurance are rising faster than most salaries. At first, the difference is barely noticeable, a few extra dollars here, a small increase there. But over time, these small gaps add up. Each year, the distance between income and expenses grows a little more, quietly squeezing the middle class. This slow shift can go unnoticed until it becomes a real problem. Middle class isn't losing money all at once. Instead, they are losing purchasing power, a gradual process that's easy to overlook. As prices rise and incomes stay the same, each dollar buys less. Over time, this means families can afford fewer things even though their paychecks haven't changed. This slow erosion of wealth is one of the most significant challenges facing the middle class today. Small recurring expenses like subscriptions and convenience services seem harmless on their own. A streaming service here, a monthly app there, these costs are easy to justify. But together they quietly drain long-term wealth. Over time, these small charges add up, reducing the amount of money available for savings or emergencies. Many families don't realize how much these minor expenses impact their financial health. As savings fail to grow, time itself becomes expensive. Without a financial cushion, families are more vulnerable to unexpected events. One emergency like a medical bill or car repair can erase years of careful budgeting. This isn't a result of poor choices, but rather a lack of margin. The absence of growing savings makes every year feel riskier, even when nothing seems to go wrong. Emergencies are a normal part of life, but for many middle-class families, even a single unexpected expense can be devastating. Without enough savings, an emergency can wipe out years of progress. This vulnerability isn't due to a lack of effort, but rather the slow, steady squeeze on household finances. The margin for error is shrinking, making it harder to recover from setbacks. It's important to understand that this situation isn't about working harder. Most middle-class families are already putting in significant effort. The real issue is how modern financial pressures operate. Recognizing this can help shift the focus from self-blame to awareness. It's not a personal failure, but a systemic challenge that requires a new way of thinking about money. Today's financial landscape is more complex than ever. Rising costs, stagnant wages, and new types of expenses all contribute to the pressure on the middle class. Understanding how these forces interact is the first step toward protecting your financial future. Awareness allows families to make informed decisions and adapt to changing circumstances. Awareness is the first line of defense against quiet wealth loss. By understanding the subtle ways money slips away, families can begin to take small, meaningful actions. This might mean reviewing subscriptions, tracking expenses, or seeking out better financial products. The key is to stay informed and proactive rather than reactive. In a world full of motivational advice, sometimes what's needed is clarity. Calm, clear explanations help people understand what's really happening with their finances. This approach isn't about hype or quick fixes, but about providing the information needed to make better long-term decisions. Clarity is a powerful tool for navigating financial uncertainty. Keeping visuals and financial habits minimal can help reduce stress and confusion. By focusing on the essentials, families can better understand where their money goes and how to protect it. Simple, straightforward strategies often work best, especially in a complex financial world. Minimalism isn't just a style, it's a practical approach to managing wealth. The middle class isn't collapsing overnight. Instead, it's being quietly squeezed by a combination of rising costs and stagnant incomes. This slow process can be difficult to notice, but its effects are real. Recognizing the squeeze is the first step toward regaining control over your financial life. Understanding how wealth is lost quietly gives families a sense of control. By identifying the factors that contribute to financial stress, it becomes possible to make better choices. This might involve adjusting spending, increasing savings, or simply being more mindful about money. Small steps can make a big difference over time. Financial education plays a crucial role in protecting wealth. By learning about budgeting, investing, and managing expenses, families can build a stronger financial foundation. Education empowers people to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. In a changing world, knowledge is one of the best defenses against quiet wealth loss. Taking a long-term view is essential for financial health. Short-term setbacks are inevitable, but focusing on gradual improvement can help families weather difficult times. Building wealth is a slow process, but consistency and patience pay off. By keeping the bigger picture in mind, it's possible to make steady progress even when challenges arise. As incomes rise, it's tempting to increase spending on non-essentials. This phenomenon, known as lifestyle inflation, can erode any financial gains. By keeping expenses in check and prioritizing savings, families can avoid falling into this common trap. Mindful spending is key to preserving wealth over time. Financial resilience means being prepared for the unexpected. This involves building an emergency fund, diversifying income sources, and staying flexible. Resilience doesn't eliminate risk, but it does provide a buffer against setbacks. Over time, these habits can help families withstand the quiet squeeze on their wealth. Regularly reviewing finances is a simple but powerful habit. By checking in on expenses, savings, and goals, families can spot problems early and make adjustments. This ongoing process helps prevent small issues from becoming major setbacks. Consistent review is a key part of maintaining financial health. In times of financial uncertainty, staying calm and informed is essential. Avoiding panic allows for better decision-making. By focusing on facts and clear explanations, families can navigate challenges with confidence. Calm, steady progress is more effective than dramatic changes or risky moves. Middle class is not collapsing, but it is being quietly squeezed by rising costs and stagnant incomes. Understanding how this happens is the first step toward regaining control. By staying aware, making informed decisions, and focusing on long-term stability, families can protect their wealth and build a more secure future. Quiet, steady action is the key to overcoming the subtle challenges of today's financial world.